What's up, sellers? Welcome to today's video. Hey, today is a sourcing day for the $20 to $2,000 flip challenge. It's going to be a super packed day. I've got 5 or 6 packages that need to go out. So we'll be taking those to the post office, and then we'll be jumping into the thrift stores. You might remember, so one of those pairs of shoes that I sold, the Jordan 11s, you can see those in the last video that I uploaded. I sold them for $79 plus shipping. After fees, after everything was paid and taken care of, I came away with $69 and I think 33 cents. So I have the 69 right here. I wanted to get it out in cash to show you sort of as a visualization, some 20s. So we got $69 that's gonna go back out to buy more inventory. I'm hoping to really score like we did last time. Those are sort of unicorn items. Anyways, let's jump into it. Let's get out there and find these items. If you want, I'll pass these on to you. I don't know if you ever heard of this brand. You'll sell these for 60 bucks within a few days. Really? No doubt. I just sold a pair, a green and gray pair. I paid $12 for them at a different store and sold them for 75. These are a little bit different than that particular one, but they're Hoka's. And so yeah, $5, you can sell them for 60 bucks in no time. Like, thank you. Yeah, absolutely. All right, guys, just finished up in Goodwill. I spent a total of 1 hour and 8 minutes. I spent $150 total. So $69 went toward my 20 to 2,000 fast flip challenge. And then the rest of that money went toward regular eBay sales stuff. I did buy myself 1 pair of shoes, 2 shirts, and a pair of shorts because I need those things. So I will go over everything when I get home. Super pumped about this. Definitely scored some amazing items. I'm super pumped. We crushed it today. 1 store, 1 hour and 10 minutes, and absolutely dominated. 150 bucks spent. I am confident that we will walk away with $600 in net profit from this day, if not more. Honestly, it'll probably be more. Did come across 1 pair of Nike Air Force Ones that were totally fake. I probably should have documented that. They were totally fake. Several things that were just giving away all the bad vibes. They were really good condition, but ultimately I put them back. All right, guys, so finished at Goodwill. I actually stopped by the coffee shop here. Not sure if you can see that. Stopped by the coffee shop because they have fast internet and I needed to get some stuff listed. Got 13 items, I think, listed between eBay and Poshmark. Super fast, getting it done. On my way to the gym, then home to go over everything that we bought today. It's gonna go very quickly. Stick around. Hey guys, it's day number 2. Yesterday, I did not get a chance to finish this video because after the gym, I had to go to the store, do some grocery shopping. I had to come home, eat dinner, hung out with my kids, watched a movie with them, and then they went to bed. And then I just never got around to finishing this video. So here we are, day number 2 for this video. I'm going to wrap it up, put a bow on it, toss it up onto YouTube, and that will be that. I've got a lot of inventory to go over here. And so I am not going to spend a tremendous amount of time on each item. I'm going to show you the item, show you the comps, and move on to the next thing. I value your time and I don't want to take too much of it. Let's get into this. All right, the first thing we're going to do is go over the 20 to 2,000 fast flip challenge items. I had $69 to spend yesterday. I maxed it out. I got some absolute killer items. I got a bunch of shoes and then I got 3 shirts. So let's check these out. First pair of these New Balance, they're pretty filthy. They have a lot of life left in them though. So we'll clean them up and list them. Remember, we're just trying to double our money. Average purchase price was $5.40 per item, and they are selling for anywhere from $30 to $40. Some calculated shipping, some free shipping. The next item is this pair of Vans Skate Highs in the maroon color. They are selling for $30 to $40 plus shipping. Really good condition, really good pair. Next are these Timberland. These are really excellent condition. Timberland 3 eyelet. So when you're talking about these, you're looking for these 3 eyelets right here. Timberland 3 eyelet boat shoes selling for anywhere from $40 to $60 plus shipping. Next are these bronze or gold Air Max 90s. Yes, selling for $32 plus shipping. That's what they sold for recently. There's not a lot of sales. There's only one sale, but $32. I'll probably come in at $30, $29.99 plus shipping. Everything that I'm doing for the 20 to 2,000 Fast Flip Challenge is all plus shipping. We've got the Saucony Ride ISO, good condition pair, just dirty. Selling for 20 something. It was a best offer all the way up through 49 something best offer. Some with shipping, some free shipping. We're basically on rinse and repeat right now. We've got these Jordans right here. Youth size. Comps for these were around 25 bucks, I believe. I don't have the screenshot. I didn't grab that one. My apologies. Next is this pair of Nike Metcon 2 selling for anywhere from $30 to $60 pre-owned. Plus shipping on some of those, free shipping on others. It's good. Probably come in at like $45 plus shipping is what I'm thinking. Maybe. We'll see. Next, now we're getting into the top 3 items as far as shoes go. These Air Force One Nikes, this particular model colorway, have sold recently for $46 free shipping, and then a best offer somewhere in the range of $55 plus shipping, and then a best offer in the range of $82 free shipping. I will probably come in somewhere like $50 plus shipping on these. They are a huge pair, so that's something to take into account. Also, whoever donated those to Goodwill also donated these, I do believe. Air Force One 07s, the lows, triple white. You can see right here, sales anywhere from a best offer in the range of 80, a best offer in the range of 85, and then a actual sale price of 97 with free shipping. So I will probably come in at the $70 range plus shipping on these. And then finally, the winner of the day, Hoka 1-1s, awesome pair, totally clean. Recently, a used pair sold for $125 plus shipping. Some of these did sell in like the $80 or $90 range. For whatever reason, this pair sold for $125 plus shipping. So I'm gonna go probably to the $90, maybe $100 plus shipping, and call that a day. So that's the 20 to 2,000 Fast Flip Challenge inventory. Oh, no, it's not. Hold on. Shirts. I forgot to show you the shirts. We did score on some shirts. We have 3 shirts here. The first is this vintage Wrangler, made in the USA, 100% cotton, Native American print, short sleeve button down. It's immaculate condition. Really happy with this. It's got all the buttons. Everything's good on it. Those similar shirts, I paid $4 for it. Similar shirts are selling anywhere from like 16 to 20 bucks plus shipping. The main deal with this is it's a vintage Wrangler cowboy cut shirt. And so those are the hot keywords that I'm looking for. It is a very unique print on this and a unique color. So I don't expect it to sell fast necessarily. I mean, like not in a couple days, but I do think it will sell within a month, especially going into summer and like, yeah, short sleeve button down. I think it'll do well. Next, we have this. I'd never heard of this brand before, but write it down. Be on the lookout. Bolo Nat Nast Luxury. So this is a cotton and polyester polo. It's got a bamboo print on it. I paid $4 recently. One of them sold for $14.95, best offer plus shipping. And so that is probably where I'm going to price mine at. Some of their shirts sell for more. This particular bamboo print, not amazing. However, the next shirt I'm going to show you is absolutely amazing. This is also Nat Nast Luxury. Okay, it is a button down. Okay, first off, this is brand new. I had no idea it was brand new. It's immaculate condition. The thing that makes this so desirable is it has this embroidered patch on the back. 1955 Stealing Home. You can see that right there. incredible embroidered patch. So I'm going to show you what the for sale listings are, and then I'll show you what one recently sold for. I paid $4 for this item. So what's recently for sale is $88.99 plus shipping, $79.99 plus shipping, and those are both pre-owned. There's no new ones for sale. The actual sold for $60 free shipping. It's Jackie Robinson 100% silk button-up shirt. Jackie Robinson Stealing Home 1955. Okay, we've been doing this for a while. Hang with me. We're gonna go over the next little lot of shoes. These are just the regular shoes that I found. Basically what I did is I went through the store and I found all the stuff for my fast flip challenge and then put it in the bottom of the cart, and then everything else that I found I put in the top of the cart, and when I went to check out, I just paid with my $69 and then I covered the rest with my card, and that's how we did it. So it was like a dual shopping experience at the same time. Now, it's also worthy to note that while I was shopping, I did buy myself 2 shirts, 1 pair of shorts, and this pair of blue Sperry's. I've been looking for a pair of blue Sperry's on Poshmark and eBay and Mercari. As luck would have it, or as blessings would have it, I walked through Goodwill and I found size 11.5 in blue Sperry, perfect condition, so I bought them. I bought 2 shirts, $4 each, bought a pair of shorts, $4, wrapped that up in the cost of my shoes, which is why the purchase price is a little bit higher than the last time I went out. I did get 1 shirt and 1 pair of shorts to resell. This is a Stussy manufacturing shirt, or Stussy manufactured. Really awesome camo shirt. If you don't know, camo is super hot right now. Not this particular print of camo, but camo is hot overall right now. I'm not going to show comps for all this stuff because I want to get through this quickly so that I don't take too much of your time. Stussy shirts go for $15 to $20 very consistently. So going from $4 to $15 or $20 is excellent. This pair, I really took a gamble on this. This is a pair of Columbia men's 9-inch shorts. They have the liner on the inside, so they're sort of like a swim trunk, but they're cargo shorts. I would not wear cargo shorts. I have worn them, but I'm not into them right now. So we'll see how those go. I got them for $4, and I feel like I can get probably $12 to $15 out of them plus shipping. We'll see what happens. All right, now jumping into the shoes for just the normal sourcing, right? The normal sourcing haul. I'm dropping them all over the place. All right, first is this pair of Converse. It's a mid, padded, cushioned Converse, good condition, youth size, and they're going for $20 or so. Another pair just like those in the same size, probably the same person that dropped them off. Converse, mids, padded, same thing, good. Next, this pair of Nike SBs, a little bit faded, definitely need to be cleaned. I think once we get them cleaned and you know, get the air compressor out, blow all the dust out of the suede, they will be good. Selling for $15 to $20 plus shipping. Got this pair of Nike, I don't even know what these are. I have no clue, but they're colorful and they've got a lot of life left in them, so I bought them and they are selling for $20 plus shipping. Got this pair of New Balance, $25 plus shipping. Okay. Got this pair of Nikes. I forget the name of these, but comps look good. Selling, I could only find new comps that were selling for $70 to $80. So I'll probably come in at half that, $35 to $40, and sell these plus shipping. Got this pair of Nikes, good condition, clean. I mean, they need to be clean, but they got a lot of life left in them. Selling for $30 plus. Got a pair of Converse white tie. Got a pair of Converse white tie hops. High tops, Chuck Taylors, good. They need to be cleaned. They got a lot of life left in them, so I can get $25 for these. Got this pair of Sauconys right here. Good condition, clean, no rips, tears, stains, cuts, or wear. Yeah, $25. Got this pair of Nikes. Not really sure what these were. Kind of a weird look to them. Very dated for sure. Maybe I can use that to my advantage and sell them sort of like a vintage pair. I don't know. I was highly disappointed by these Air Max 90s. The brand new ones are selling for $90 to $100. The used ones are selling $25 to $30. So I feel like Air Max 90s in the used market have maybe lost some of their value. It's a nice pair. And then finally, I think this is the last shoe, this pair of Bear Traps Dylan sandals. Sandals are hot right now, guys. We're in summer and sandals are super hot. So got these Bear Trap sandals. These are selling, I think, $20, like 16 to 20 plus shipping. So I'm happy with that. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for taking the time to watch it. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. If you like the video, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And as always, keep selling, get the bag or the bags, and I'll see you on the next video.